Hey folks, Captain Rich here, and I'm aboard the Four Jeans. This is Palm Harbor Nautical Ventures, and today I'm going to do a little video on some amazing stuff called Barkeeper's Friend. And today I came out with the intention of polishing my stove over here, which I've already done. It had some surface rust on it, and I never thought of using this product for cleaning metal. I've always used it on my non-skid decks, and it works phenomenal on that. So, my stainless steel stove came out perfect. I had a little bit of rust on my microwave top, just a little bit of surface rust. It cleaned that right off with very little effort. And I wish I would have started the video before I started cleaning, but I'm going to show you these portholes that I'm working on. Okay, this is one I just did. I'm going to show you the other one on the other side. This is how tarnished it was. It is brass, and it's supposed to do that. And I just thought, well, let me try it on this brass real quick. And it took me literally 2 minutes to polish that out with this Barkeeper's Friend. Really good product if you want to try it out. So I'm going to be using it on all my bimini top bows and bow rails and such. Sorry if I'm shaking, probably drank a little too much coffee. But really good product for overall boat use. So non-skids, all your metal work, really does a nice job. So thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy this product is to use the best I can with one hand in filming. So I've got a damp or wet cloth. Here's my Barkeepers. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. You don't need much. Tamp it in a little bit so it doesn't go flying everywhere. And we'll go over to this porthole. Hopefully you guys can pick this up. Brass porthole. Work this one area. I'm just kind of making a circular motion, then vertical motion, and getting the rim a little bit. Doesn't take much. Okay, let me get a paper towel. Wipe off the excess. Hope you can see that, but it's a dramatic difference with very little effort. Barkeeper's Friends, folks, check it out. It's extremely inexpensive. I think I went to Ace Hardware and bought it for $2.30, $2.50 a jar. A little bit goes a long way, and it works on many different surfaces. And I'm going to hopefully demonstrate some more use of Barkeeper's Friend. I am going to come out and work on these bimini top bows. See, I'll try to find some bad spots. Here's a good spot. Just getting a little bit of surface rust here and there. And I'm going to try to polish this off with the Barkeeper's Friend. And I'm going to try to make a slurry this time in the bucket and see if this works instead of just sprinkling it on a rag. I've got these free packets that came in the mail. I'm going to mix 2 of those in there with about a gallon of water. Mix it up real good and use sponges and see if that will take off the surface rust and polish those bows up. So I'm going to do that now, and I will come back with the post-polish video. Thanks for watching. This is Palm Harbor Nautical Ventures, and we are on the 27 Ranger Tug 2018 outboard. Okay folks, Captain Rich here again, and I'm back. I have just completed the bows to my bimini top with the Barkeeper's Friends. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes, and that's probably longer than it really needed, and they came out fantastic. Let's see if I can find that area that I showed you that had the rust right there. There is none, all polished up, and I just used a wet rag here. And this is a slurry again. I used about a 1/2 to 3/4 gallon and probably 4 tablespoons of that product. I mixed it in there and made a slurry. Did a fantastic job. I also tried it on this glass, and I'm going to see if it took the water spots off after it dries, and I will let you know. Again, Barkeeper's Friend. So I've got a bunch more rails to do, so I'm going to keep on keeping on, but this product makes it pretty easy. Thanks for watching again. Palm Harbor Nautical Ventures, phnv.com.
Like our videos, please. Thanks.